Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to duplicate lava. Let's get right into this. Thanks to the new 1.17 update, not only can we put lava in cauldrons, as you can see in this short little time lapse, but we can also use these stalactite things to make infinite lava source. So I'm going to show you in this video how I did that. Alright, so here's the little system that I've created using these little stalactite things and their blocks, the source of lava on top, and I just drip into these cauldrons, making infinite lava. Now this redstone system will just cycle some of the cauldrons around in a circle, allowing it to continue running for a little bit longer after you've left. Now this building completely, in general, is just 7 blocks by 8 blocks, so it is 7 this way and 8 blocks this way. Alright, now let's go build this thing. So we're going to start over here in this area here, and we're just going to go up over here, and 4 blocks high is the level where the cauldrons are going to go. So we're going to go over here, and then, so because the cauldrons are in the middle, we're going to go over here, and then we're going to go over a little bit more. There we go. So 2 is in the middle, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there, 4, and then 5, because there's 8 blocks on this side. Then we're going to place 6 of them, and then right here on this side, we're going to place piston facing this way. Oops, there we go. Piston facing this way, and one there as well. And then we are going to place 2 more cauldrons. And then we're going to have a piston. Yep. Piston that's facing downwards here. Because we're going to be building the tape. That's pretty much all this is. It's just a little tape here. And then I'm also going to make it so that there is a gap, an air gap right here. So I'm just going to place some blocks there and there. I'm going to continue with the tape here. Alright, there's one there, one there. Alright, so this is what it should look like right now, because there's no redstone at the moment. And then we're going to place 2 right here. Okay, and then we'll have this loop here. Alright, now for the next bit of redstone. So we're going to place a block here and here with a comparator facing out like that. Then for this and this one, we're going to do those next. So we're going to place block here, and then block there. Okay, there we go. Block here, and one there. Okay. And so then we'll just go over here, place redstone dust, and a repeater. Now to do this bottom one. Now we're going to place a block here, and a block there. Then we're going to, oops, there we go. Then we're going to go down here, like this, placing some redstone here. Alright, then we're going to place there we go. Then we're going to place a repeater here as well for this line. And then we are going to place a different color here, right there. And we're actually going to need a slab for this part. So we're going to place a slab right there so we can put some redstone up here and a repeater powering this piston, set it to 3 ticks. Alright, and then we're going to go down here, place a sticky piston facing down right here, with a block on that. And then we're going to need a piece of redstone right here with a redstone torch. Let me grab that. There we go. Redstone torch there. Then the piston goes down this way. It'll hit this repeater. And we'll just place 2 here. 1 set to 2. 1 set to 1. Alright, and then from there, we just mirror that on the other side. So that's just that side. So now we'll do this side. Save your block here. Place a block there. Then we'll place one on both sides. Whoops. There we go. Get rid of this. There we go. Alright, and then we're going to place one here and there, deleting that block. Placing a repeater here and redstone dust there. Place a repeater here. Place a block there. And then another block going down to this piston. And then just do a little redstone trail going from there. Then we'll have a block here with a repeater on top of it. With a slab. Some redstone dust, making sure that this repeater is set to 3 ticks. And then that should be all of the redstone for the top spot. Now we're going to do the bottom one. So let's place a piston, sticky piston there. Block here. 3 on the side. And 2 more. So like an L. Placing 2 repeaters down. 1 to 2, 1 to 1. Redstone dust on this block. And a torch there. So that is all of the redstone. Now we have to do is build the stalactite thing, set up here above it, and then you should be good to go. So all you have to do for this part is just set up a area. Since it's 4 long, you can technically do this. There we go. And then we are going to go up 1. And just surround the whole thing here with the dripstone blocks. And then we're going to put some lava in it. Not lava, lava. Alright, so now we have lava. All of them have to be source blocks, otherwise it won't actually drip through it. And then from there, we can just take our pointed dripstone, place one on all of these blocks. There we go. There you go. That is the full build. Other than the remaining few cauldrons, which you actually have to place them in a specific spot. So leave this one blank and the bottom corner blank. So like this, that one's blank. Oops. And then fill that one in. And just to test to make sure it actually works, we're gonna place this bucket in here. You can see it goes all the way around on both sides. Alright, so that is the full build of how to make infinite lava. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.